Input voltage 100 volts to 240 volts 50/60ths of a hertz. Output District of Columbia 12V2A, 24W. Maximum output adapter jack size 0.22 by 0.08 inches, US plug type. Power adapter replacement part. This is suitable for Pyle models, PDWR51BTWT, PDWR52BTBK, PDWR61BTWT, PDWR62BTBK, wall mount waterproof, and Bluetooth indoor and outdoor speaker system. Superior safety. Flame-retardant exterior shell and built-in safeguards to protect against overheat, overload, overcharging, short circuit provide the ultimate protection for you and your devices. Easy to use. Just plug it into any power outlet in your home, and it's ready to use for anything that has a lighter plug. No worry to overheating. Durable design. Robust casing protects against scratches, bumps, drops, withstands pressure, and keeps internal components safe during emergencies. Enhanced longevity. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I use this for my work laptop every week without fail. Perfect replacement. It made my speakers that I thought were junk work again. The original one I assumed was waterproof cause the speakers are, but it is not. Just got to make sure you unhook it from the speakers. The speakers are great, been through rain and snow, still work. Adapter was a different story.